Hi there, welcome to part 2 of Prophet Muhammad quiz episode, Peace and Blessings of Allah be upon him. Today we will continue from where we left off in the first episode. Let's begin. How was Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him known in his society? He was known as the trustworthy and the truthful one. What must you say when the Prophet's peace be upon him name is mentioned? You must send Darood and Salam. Where did he, peace and blessings be upon him, received his first revelation? In the cave of Hira. Who brought the revelation from Allah? The angel Jibreel. The Prophet peace be upon him was taken on the night's journey on what animal? Al-Buraq was the name of the animal. What is the migration from Mecca to Medina called? Hijra, from when the Islamic calendar begins. How did Allah protect the Prophet peace be upon him and Abu Bakr when they migrated? Allah instructed the spiders to weave a web at the mouth of cave Thor. What are some of the famous battles the Prophet peace be upon him participated in? All of these are correct. How many times did the Prophet peace be upon him perform Hajj and Umrah? For Umrah and 1 Hajj. At what age did the Prophet peace be upon him passed away? He was 63 years old. This was the saddest day for the Sahaba and in the history of Islam. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe for more Islamic quiz and videos.